So today we're going to use Leak Stopper Rubber Flexx Liquid Coating to take care of some tool handles. Alright, welcome to Tomahawk DIY. I'm Mike. I've got an old rake here, an old shovel. They still work great, but they're wooden handles and they're just starting to wear down. They need a new coating. So Rubber Flexx is going to provide that coating for us. We're going to use some acetone to get the handles of these tools cleaned up before we apply the Rubber Flexx Liquid Coating. Now I want to thank the Gardner-Gibson Company, the makers of Rubber Flexx, for sponsoring this video. I'm just gonna brush this on. You can see I put some masking tape at the top to kind of give my finished edge there. So for kind of a cool finish, you can just dip this whole thing in. Now for the handle of this shovel, I'm going to use this white Rubber Flexx. Now this stuff will stick to a lot of different surfaces, so it should adhere really nicely to this wood handle. So I'm excited to use this clear liquid rubber coating on this rake handle. It's going to show through this red that I've painted on here just to help keep track of which tools are mine when I'm out working with other people. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and have a great day.